Hi, I'm Matt, and welcome to the BitPaper Boss course, where you'll learn everything you need to know about teaching and collaborating online with BitPaper, the best online whiteboard. To start using this cutting-edge collaborative whiteboard, simply copy and share the unique URL for your paper, then start a video or audio call using the inbuilt calling feature. Use the chat box to check your participants ready to join the call and start collaborating. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, I am.
On the BitPaper Boss course, you'll learn how to cut and paste images from any document or web page in seconds. Use the smooth pen tool to annotate your shared whiteboard at the same time as your students, and collaborate during lessons by adding and deleting shapes to reveal content like this. With stable BitPaper video calls, communication is easy and fun. Both you and your students can drag and drop images to the whiteboard in real time and annotate them together for incredibly interactive lessons. Need more space to collaborate? No problem. Hide your toolbars, add additional pages, and upload more pictures and PDFs from your computer. You'll never run out of workspace with BitPaper. There are endless ways to make your lessons engaging and interactive, and the whiteboard doesn't slow down no matter how many people are working on the paper. Save your paper to continue working on it later, and export to PDF to create shareable resources at the click of a button. So that's the end of our coaching call today. What did you think about using BitPaper to do this session?
I really enjoyed it. I really liked how you could interact on the paper together at the same time. And the pen was really smooth as well to use.
The BitPaper Boss course covers how to do everything you've seen in this video and more. So click the enroll button now and learn how to teach and collaborate online with BitPaper.